Local Developer Environment Setup. Setting up a local developer environment. Confirm you have a connection to the internet. To follow along with the developer liftoff and develop on ICP, you will need a connection to the internet. Why does this matter? You will need an internet connection to download a few different tools and packages. You will also need an internet connection whenever you plan to deploy your project to the mainnet. You do not need an internet connection to deploy a project to your local development environment. Confirm you have access to a command line interface (CLI). Open a command line interface (CLI) window. This may be referred to as terminal or shell depending on your computer's operating system. In this documentation, this is often referred to as the terminal window. Download and install Node.js. Download and install the Ike SDK. The Ike SDK contains the CLI tool DFX. DFX is natively supported on Linux or macOS 12, Monterey or later. To install the Ike SDK, first install DFX VM, a CLI tool used for installing and switching between different versions of DFX. Download and install a code editor. To write and edit code, you will need a code editor. macOS and Linux systems come with some basic editors, such as 6 or Nano, but these have very limited functionality and can be hard to use. It is recommended that you use Visual Studio Code, as it is a popular choice, and there is a Motoko extension that provides additional tools for Motoko development. Download and install Git. Ensure all packages and tools are updated to the latest release versions. If you are installing each of these tools for the first time, you will have the most recent release versions installed. If you previously had installed any of these tools, be sure to check the most recent release version and update them if needed. Create a working directory. The last step in setting up our developer environment is to create a new directory for you to build in. You can create a new directory with the command. In future modules, you'll refer to this directory as the working directory. Each project that you create will be a subdirectory of this working directory.